Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 super easy products that you can create to be able to sell online today. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that actually sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share so you can let other people know the type of content that's created here on Product Creation Formula. And this way they can get the benefits of it too. So, product number 1. Create a video tutorial. It's only about 8 to 10 videos long. You'll see, by doing that, you'll actually find that it's much easier to create that video. You can actually create maybe 2 to 5 minute videos. And if you create 8 or 10 of those in a day, that's really easy to do. And that's a super easy product to create. You don't even have to sit in front of the camera like I'm doing right now. You can do a screen share, like you've seen me do on quite a few of my past videos, just like the ones in the cards above. And you can do that. You can have a look at the screen shares. You can do all that sort of thing. You don't have to even be on screen. And that's the best part about it. In product number 2, you can transcribe videos and turn them into an ebook. Now, the good part about that is the fact that you don't actually have to do the writing. You can get other people to do the writing for you. Or, if you're smart like I am, you can use a piece of software, which is down below, and you can actually get your video transcribed using that. And all you have to do is just fix up any of the mistakes that are on there. Now, it's called Otter.ai, and guys, check it out. You won't be disappointed at all. Now, product number 3 is checklists. Now, checklists are huge right now. People are actually buying packs of checklists, of 10 to 20 checklists at a time, and people are making lots of money just from selling checklists. The checklist is pretty easy to create. You can get the templates from Microsoft Office Word. It's really easy to do, and you can create your own templates and sell those online and have your own checklists. And by having a checklist on any particular topic, say for example product creation, or you can do one on video creation, or you can do one on whatever niche you happen to be into, make money online, whatever it happens to be, you can create a series of checklists that you can then sell online and make profit that way. Product number 4 is you can create yourself a report. Reports don't have to be 20 or 30 pages long. They can be as little as 10 pages, 10 to 12 or even 15 pages long. Reports are just that. They're a brief overview of how to do something. They don't have to be in depth, but they're just giving you a broad overview, almost like a checklist in a sense, of what needs to be done to accomplish something. Product number 5 is creating journals and notebooks. Now, they are super easy to do, and you can create 5 or 6 of those in a day, no problem at all. All you really need to do is make sure you get your cover page created and then have templates for the other pages, and you're off and running. It's not hard to do. In fact, I have videos up above that can show you exactly how it's done. Product number 6 is to-do lists. Now, to-do lists are super easy to make, and the best part about them is you can make it to how you particularly like it. And then what you can do is you can then upload that into Amazon KDP, and you can create that and sell that online. Just stick to a particular theme. Product number 7 is you can actually create a calendar. Now, you can actually find those templates on Microsoft Office Word, and they are super easy to create. All you need to do is put a background image in the background and fade the background image down so as it's not overpowering the rest of the calendar. And then once you've done that, you can then, say for example, make it 8.5 by 11 and sell that on Amazon KDP. It's super easy to do and super easy to create. And they're really popular, especially leading up to 2021. Product number 8 is to create a resource cheat sheet. Now, resource cheat sheets are really easy to create because they're just something that you need to be able to put together as a list of different things that people need to be able to create whatever it is they're doing. Say for example, they're creating product creation, you can put down a list of all the different things, all the different tools they're going to be needing, as well as all the different topics that they can be talking about and various other things you can create. And you can create that really simply, really easily. In fact, it's only going to take you a couple of hours to create something like that, and you can have that ready to go before you know it. In fact, you can use it as either a lead magnet or you can even sell it as is. Now, product number 9 is perhaps a little bit harder to do, but it's still something that can be done today. And that is create a fill-in-the-blank email copy. Now, people are always looking for email copies because sometimes they just get a mental blank and they can't think of what to write. Now, if you have got some proven resources, for example, you've got some past email copy that is really good and has got you sales, what you can do is you can just copy and paste those into a folder somewhere and you can just blank out whatever the main topic of the subject is. And this way, people can just fill in the blanks and make it unique to themselves, especially if it's a proven formula. And you can actually put a higher price point on those, because if you have, say, 52 past emails that you have previously created that have got you sales, then you can get those 52 emails, compile them into one document, and then just cut out the main topics and then put a line through them just to say this is where they're going to be filling in their own information. And this way, if you've got pre-proven sales from the email copies that you already have, that can be a product in and of itself. If you can give an entire year's worth of email copies, then that is going to be worth a lot of money. In fact, people will easily pay upwards of $47 or more for some good email copy. Product number 10 is you can actually edit a previous existing PLR product that you can then sell online and make 100% of the profit of your own. If you can find some good PLR product, then all you really need to do is rewrite the product if it's an ebook. And if you want to, you can turn that into a video tutorial or a video course, and then you can sell that as a complete course of your very own. And that's really super easy to do. Now, these are the 10 super easy products that you can create and sell online today. So guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Also too, please, if you get a chance, comment down below and let us know if you can think of any other products that you know of that are super easy to create. And also, while you're at it, why not also share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, or any of the other social media sites that you can think of. Guys, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.